Giving a friend a hand today with just getting the underside of his van done. I thought it'd be useful to video what's under here. His tanks, gas and water are already fitted. Thought it'd be useful to video just what's under there for anyone else that wants to do it. So it's up on the ramp now. What you've got there is you've got the gasset tank. This is the 2018 van, and behind that you've got the Barrett water and waste tank. I'll just come around the other side as well so you can see that from the other side. So what we've got to do, we've got the gas tank here, so that's all fitted. This pipe here, this is going up to the filler, which is in the B pillar on the driver's side on this vehicle. We've got to fit the tank sensor in here as from memory, I think. Then run the digital sensor off for inside the van. Sort of dry fitted the pigtail without the connectors around it, just to make sure they're in the right place and to see where the regulator can go. Got the regulator here. Thinking at the moment there is sort of about the best place for it, and then the tacking the pipe work up onto that red bracket there. On this installation it's got to run across, come through the floor to a manifold, and then we've got to route the water as well. I didn't film any of the putting the pipe work round, but I'm going to show you around what we've done. But firstly, just want to give a big thanks to Custom Campers Wales. They hired us the ramp, and there's not many places that will do this, so I'll put a link in the description below. They're based at Llandudno, North Wales, so if anyone else needs to use it, really reasonable, give them a shout. Anyway, I'll show you the 99% finished system. Start with the water tanks. They were already up, obviously. Up the top there, hopefully that comes out on camera, that's the overflow. How the Barrett tanks work is a hose goes on onto the tap here, and then you just fill up your water tank. The overflow I've put there is just so you know when it's full, because water starts peeing out on the floor. Nice and simple. On this side up there, that's the waste pipe for the kitchen. I'll show you the other side on that. The other two waste pipes there, they are ready for the bathroom, the sink and the shower in the bathroom. I'll go up to the front now onto the gas tank. Gas tank's now fully in. On this side, this was already there today. That's the pipe work running round for the infill, which is up there. And then coming across, we've got the gas pipe coming off in the bottom convoluted cable over to the regulator, then across, up and into the van. That's all using 8mm armoured cable, as it should be. It's the only thing that's not finished actually is the regulator there, because the regulator was sent as a 10mm. It was marked as an 8mm, you know, mistake, the new one's coming out. Again, back on the gas tank, this wire here, these wires coming through here, are the senders from the water tank. Then that's connected to another wire that's coming out here. Let's show you. Which is for the gauge, the digital gauge check. These are just Wago connectors on here. So they go through, and then all of the wiring comes up, round, and through the little bung below the B pillar, where you'd normally put the wiring for an automatic step. There's no step going on this van, thought we may as well use the hole that's already there. The gas, the water and the waste all coming through this section of the van here. Anyway, that's about it. It's just a quick video. It's not often you get to see underneath these things, because usually, you know, we don't have ramps to work on. As I say, I'll put a link to Northwest Campus down below. Thanks very much. Bye bye.